Good afternoon, Miss. So this is a simple calculator gamit ang Windows Form. Yeah. Magbutang kag duha ka text box sa number 1 and og 6 buttons for the addition, multiply, subtraction, division, and clear and exit. Mo ni diri dapit ang code sa addition which is nth num convert to text box. Then sa subtraction, mo ang n number 2, difference number 1 and number 2. Then, tapet. Then sa multiply is convert to the end product equals number 2 to 1. Then result text product to string. Double num 1 convert to double text box 1 text, and double num 2 convert to double text box 2. So f num 2 equal to 0. So L error text equal to, so label error text equals to cannot divide by 0. So if 0 gali magbutang ka dito og 0, cannot divide kay di kami na divide basta 0. So double quotient equal to num 1 to num 2. So label result text quotient to string. Ang ipangita sa error, this is came from Santo error. Dili gikuha ang LBL error. There's a result. Dili gikuha ang LBL result, which is nagpangan ko og LBL result. So para na ko sample. Ganun. Dayon. So addition sa kuna 2 plus magbuta ko direct plus o 4 addition equals to 6. Then subtraction 1 na 7 3. Pwede na muna. So 4. So clear. Multiply 8 multiply 2 16. So clear sa division 4 divide 2 was 2. So for example sa 0 kay 8 divided by division by 0 is cannot divide by 0. So clear. So okay na.